Hey, welcome to the Elite Income channel. If you're new here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I'm going to share with you some amazing tips on how to make more money by working less. These tips are based on my personal experience and lessons from successful business people. So, if you're ready to learn how to work smarter while earning more, then keep watching. We live in a society that values productivity and hard work, but sometimes that can lead to burnout and exhaustion. That's why it's important to find ways to work smarter and make more money. I mean, who wouldn't want to earn more while working less, right? So, without further ado, let's jump into the tips. Tip 1. Put yourself in the right market. The first tip is to put yourself in the right market. It's essential to know your worth and make sure that your skills are valued the most. Sometimes we work hard, but we don't get the rewards we deserve because we are in the wrong market or industry. Just like a piece of land that sells for more in London than in a local auction, your skills might be worth more in a different industry or company. Don't be afraid to leave a room where you're undervalued and knock on another door that might offer better rewards for your skills. So, always do your research based on your career and know your worth in your particular industry. Tip 2. Apply the Pareto principle. The second tip is to apply the Pareto principle or the Steve Jobs rule. The Pareto principle is a productivity hack that states that 20% of your efforts produce 80% of the results. By focusing on the 20% of your to-do list that will produce 80% of the results, you can work more efficiently and earn more money in less time. So, always prioritize your tasks and focus on the ones that produce the most significant results. Tip 3. Set an achievement date. The third tip is to set an achievement date and not get stuck in the planning phase for too long. To produce results, tasks must be well organized and correctly executed. But, sometimes, we get stuck in the planning phase for too long, and we forget to take action. Don't mistake activity for achievement and remember that sometimes taking action is more important than having a perfect plan. So, set an achievement date, create a plan, and start taking action to achieve your goals. Tip 4. Outsource your tasks. The fourth tip is to outsource your tasks. As a business owner or an entrepreneur, you can't do everything by yourself. Sometimes, it's better to outsource tasks to other professionals who can do them more efficiently and quickly than you. By outsourcing your tasks, you can free up your time, focus on your core competencies, and earn more money in less time. Tip 5. Invest in yourself. The fifth and final tip is to invest in yourself. As an entrepreneur, you are your biggest asset, and you need to take care of yourself. Invest in your education, attend seminars, workshops, and read books that can help you improve your skills and knowledge. By investing in yourself, you can become more productive, efficient, and earn more money in less time.